everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe it as it really means a lot to me, and also hit that bell button which is sitting just beside that. So in this video I'm going to do this look, which is actually work from home look. I got this idea when I was doing my work and I was really getting pissed off from the daily attire which I used to wear. This lockdown is really sucking my mind. I'm getting really irritated. So I just thought of giving a little break, and I just thought of giving myself a just a fresh up to pamper myself, because I can't live away from makeup, and now it is because we are not stepping out of home. I am really away from it, so I am really feeling alive now. I am really liking this look. So if you want to know how I get this look, so please go ahead and watch my video, and I hope you guys are safe in this COVID-19 situation, and please share how you guys are doing this work from home. I am really getting bored. I'm really irritated and frustrated because everything is online, from Zoom Meet to Google Meet, office, school, colleges, everything is online, and our life is shifting to some virtual media. So I just thought of doing this video so that even you can just chill out your mood, and obviously I can chill my mood. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. So I'm starting my makeup with this primer which is from Color Bar. It fills my pore pretty well. Moving on to the foundation, I'm using a L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade 109, and it is exactly in my shade. The consistency is well on oily skin family, and it gives a pretty well coverage. So I'm blending here well. To set all the foundation, I'm using here MAC Compact. It is actually MAC Powder Plus Compact foundation, and it is in shade 9 NC 43.5. To hide all the pigmentation from my face, I'm using here orange corrector from Sugar. I'm just dabbing it on my hand and then applying with the help of my fingers, because not to give that harsh kind of feel. To set that, I'm using here this foundation. I'm just dabbing it. I'm just doing this pat. So I'm buffing the foundation over this corrector so that the corrector and the foundation won't spread. Now I'm highlighting my center of the face with this Elegant Flow Concealer. So I'm applying it on the highlighted areas. This corrector is really good. I like it for the highlighting purpose as well. I am blending it well so that the center of the face will remain highlighted and popped up. Again, I am setting all these creamy product with the powder. You should set all the cream product with the powder. And then I'm using this Fit Me Compact, which has a lighter, and it's kind of a translucent powder. I'm just setting it all over my face well, and then adding some bronzer to give the dimension. I'm using here NYX bronzer. The dimension is mandatory. You don't want your face to be straight, and in order to achieve that more, I'm using here Maybelline color blush. So you should look a little pop-up whenever you are attending any online virtual meeting. And adding some shimmers over my, adding some shimmers to get that highlighted face, because you want some kind of glow. You don't want it to be completely matte. At least I don't want. My face is very oily still. I love a little kind of glow over my face. So I'm just applying it. It's from Nykaa. For my eyebrows, I'm using here Sugar. Eyebrows is very mandatory even if you are having a thin eyebrows like me. So I'm just giving it a nice arc. I really love doing eyebrows because that plays a very important role on your face. And then I'm just giving some dimension over my crease by this bronzer, because I don't want to look OTT while attending these meetings or while doing work from home. So I'm just adding some dimension on my eyelids. And here I'm using eyeliner from Sugar, and this is Sugar I Told You So. If you're a beginner, you would love this eyeliner. And if you're feeling sleepy, if you want your eyes to look a little pop up, you should add this white kajal or white eyeliner to your lower lids. I'm using here from NYX. And then I'm smudging a little bit of kajal with a smudger brush. So here I'm using this lip liner which is from Wet n Wild, and this is the color red. I have already just add moisturizer on my lips, and to give the actual exact red color to my lips, I am adding here MAC Ruby Woo, which is very red. It has a very light consistency, and I love the color which is turning out on me. Last but not the least, I'm applying here Maybelline Falsies Mascara. So as per the name you can understand, it gives a false kind of appearance, and it does so to a great extent. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, do hit that like button and subscribe my channel for the further updates. Till then, take care guys, I will see you guys in the next one.